Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the extended copy-paste nature of ProjecturEd. In this document that you see here on the left side is a JSON document that contains two nested arrays and a couple of strings and a number. And on the right side you see the same document in a generic notation that displays the types and slots and strings in a nested structure. Remember that those two notations represent the very same data structure. There's no parsing involved here. It's just different projections for the same data structure. Actually, the selection is also shared between the two. So if I select the whole JSON array on the left side, it also shows this on the right side. More than that, if I start moving around with the cursor on the left side, it follows on the right side. But notice that how the sequential movement appears as a random movement on the right side, because the same data appears in a very different position. And sometimes the selection doesn't make sense, like in this case, so it disappears on the right side. You can even do this with the other way around. Like if I click here, the selection falls on the left side. And what's even more interesting, that you can move sequentially on the right side too. And of course the selection doesn't make sense, so in the left side, in that notation, it just disappears. So let's switch to the copy-paste behavior. For that, I select this array and copy it. As soon as I press the Ctrl+C, here you can see that the clipboard copied the array into its slice slot. The interesting thing to note here is that they are separate objects. So if I start editing here, which of course appears here too, it doesn't change the array in the slides, because it's a copy of the original array. That's quite clear. This is how copy-paste is supposed to work. And fine, but let's paste it here. Okay, and we can start edit here too, and see that okay, it doesn't change the original copy. Now the interesting thing here is that if I select the same array again, and instead of copy, I can say note. The noting is different from copying in a sense that it does not actually copy the object. Instead, it just puts the same object into the slice slot of the clipboard. So if I edit here, even though I didn't yet pasted it into the document, I can immediately see that it doesn't only changes this instance, but it also changes the instance in the clipboard. So if I come back here and paste it here, then you will not be surprised that when I edit this text here, then the other one also changes. And it's true for the numbers too. So if I edit this number, because this number is the same number and then this number, they both change, and they are separate from the first one, because that was copied with the copy and paste command instead of the note and paste command. Okay, and there's the last thing that I wanted to show you is that there's another operation called paste new that creates a new copy before pasting of the thing that is in the slice slot of the clipboard. So if I put this here, then it looks like this being the same, but it actually is not the same, because when I edit it, it appears to be a different object, as you can see. But they are still the same, as you can see. Okay. Thanks for watching.